I'm Robbie from Platinum Blast and Security. We're a local Prowler Proof dealer here in Toowoomba, specialising in premium security installations. After renovating their 1920s East Toowoomba home, the homeowners wanted a security solution that blended with its heritage style while providing airflow, natural light and protection in an area known for premium homes and rising break-ins. The house had an original mix of timber openings where aluminium windows had been retrofitted to an existing opening. We chose to use Prowler Proof ForceField and Prowler Proof Guardian. We used the Prowler Proof ForceField on the low level windows where security and break and enter is a more possible reality. And the Guardian, which is the fall prevention screen on the upper level windows where access for break and enter would be very remote. Both products are very similar to look at. The difference is in the wire, the Prowler Proof ForceField being the heavier wire that meets the code for security, and the Prowler Proof Guardian, the lighter wire, which meets the code for fall prevention. Both screens fitted exactly the same frame and seamless integration. The features that stood out for the homeowner were the clean design with no visible rivets or screws, local Brisbane manufacturing. They were also impressed by the 10-year replacement warranty, something rare in the industry. The homeowner said that the screens gave them peace of mind. They loved that the house still felt bright and breezy while being fully secure. When choosing your security screen, choose a reputable brand and then choose a product that's going to suit what you're trying to achieve. Installation's a big part of any product you buy. Make sure they're installed into AS 5039.2, which is the current Australian standards for installation of security screen. And then the other part of your security screen choice is choose a product that's got a warranty. Prowler Proof offer a 10-year replacement warranty on frame and mesh, and it's a very simple product to claim their warranty on, and we can help you with that. I choose to partner with Prowler Proof for its quality and consistency. Everything is factory built, custom to my specifications, which means less on-site adjustment. When you're in a business where you're responding to break and enter demand, it's very important that we can have our screens ordered, supplied and installed to that client's home in a quick manner. We're generally installing within 10 to 12 working days from initial inquiry.